Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Right to equality means that there will be no discrimination on the basis of caste, class, gender, or religion. Everybody is equal in the eyes of law. There will be equality of opportunity and equality of status. Equality and freedom are important in a democracy, and one cannot do without the other. Right to freedom includes freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association or union or cooperatives, movement, residence, and right to practice any profession or occupation. Some of these rights are subject to security of the state, friendly relations with foreign countries, public order, decency or morality. Right to life and liberty. Protection in respect to conviction in offences and protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Directive principles are the policy directions given by the Constitution for building an equitable and just societies. Right to constitutional remedies helps in giving remedies if anybody's fundamental rights have been violated. It issues various writs to protect fundamental rights like mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, quo warranto, etc. According to the rights of accused, if an individual has been held guilty of a crime, none of the rights will be provided to him, and this can only be done by following a procedure established by the law. Government established National Human Rights Commission in 2000 to protect the rights of the poor, illiterate, and deprived sections of society. In 1976, 42nd Amendment to the Constitution was passed. This amendment included 10 fundamental duties in the Constitution which are not enforceable on the citizen, and a citizen cannot be punished if she or he is not following the fundamental duties.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.